Have you ever poured thick, sweet condensed milk onto your coffee or dessert, watching it slowly swirl and blend and wondered about the journey it took to get to your table? That creamy, luscious texture and rich sweetness make it a favorite ingredient in kitchens around the world. Maybe you've held a can in your hand, reading the label and thought, how exactly is this creamy treat made? What's the secret behind its unique taste and texture? Most of us use condensed milk in recipes or as a topping, but few of us ever stop to think about what really goes on behind those factory doors. The process is more fascinating than you might expect. The story of condensed milk is full of interesting steps, clever machines, and a bit of old-fashioned science. It's a blend of tradition and technology, where age-old methods meet modern innovation. Every can of condensed milk has a long journey before it lands on a grocery shelf. From the moment fresh milk is collected, it goes through a series of carefully controlled steps to become the thick, sweet product we all love. That journey is filled with care at every stage. Workers and machines work together to ensure that each batch meets strict standards for quality and safety. Each process is important to make sure the condensed milk is safe, tasty, and lasts a long time. Scientists and technicians test samples in the lab, checking for consistency, flavor, and purity. Today, we'll take you inside a modern factory to see how it all happens. You'll get a behind-the-scenes look at the impressive scale and precision of condensed milk production. You might be surprised to learn how much work goes into creating that can in your pantry. From the farm to the factory and finally to your kitchen, it's a journey that involves many hands and minds. It's not just about boiling milk and adding sugar. There's a lot more science and safety involved. The milk is carefully heated to remove water, then blended with just the right amount of sugar to create that signature taste and texture. Factories use special machines and tests to make sure every drop of milk is perfect. Automated systems monitor temperature, consistency, and cleanliness at every step, ensuring the final product is both delicious and safe to eat. So, let's roll up our sleeves and follow the journey of milk, from farm to can. We'll see how fresh milk is collected from local farms, transported in chilled tankers, and transformed into the sweet, thick, condensed milk you know and love. By the end, you'll know exactly what's inside that sweet, sticky goodness, and you'll appreciate every spoonful just a little bit more. Condensed milk is simply milk that has had most of its water removed, but there's a bit more to it than that. The process starts with fresh cow's milk, which is gently heated in large industrial evaporators. This heating causes the water in the milk to evaporate, leaving behind a much thicker, creamier liquid. Then, a generous amount of sugar is added. Sometimes up to 40% of the final product is just sugar. This not only sweetens the milk, but also changes its texture and helps preserve it. The result is a rich, velvety, and incredibly sweet milk that's much thicker than what you pour on your cereal. It's so dense that it flows slowly, almost like syrup, and can be stored for months or even years without spoiling, as long as the can remains sealed. People all over the world love condensed milk for its unique flavor and versatility. It's a favorite in coffee, where it adds both sweetness and creaminess, and it's a key ingredient in countless desserts, from cakes to candies. Some people even enjoy it straight from the spoon as a sweet treat. You'll find condensed milk in recipes from many countries, each with their own twist. It's a global ingredient that brings a touch of indulgence to both traditional and modern dishes. In Vietnam, for example, condensed milk is the secret to their famous strong iced coffee, known as café sua ja. The sweet, creamy milk balances the bold, dark coffee, creating a refreshing drink that's enjoyed throughout the day. In Brazil, condensed milk is the star ingredient in brigadeiros, a beloved chocolate treat that's rolled into bite-sized balls and served at celebrations. It's also used in many other Brazilian desserts, adding richness and sweetness. Bakers everywhere add condensed milk to cakes, pies, and fudge for extra moisture, sweetness, and a creamy texture that's hard to achieve with regular milk or sugar alone. Because it's so sweet and thick, condensed milk acts as both a sweetener and a preservative. The high sugar content prevents bacteria from growing, which is why it can last so long without refrigeration. The sugar helps keep bacteria away, so the milk stays safe to eat much longer than regular milk. Quality control in factories ensures every can is sealed tight and safe for storage. That's why you don't need to refrigerate an unopened can. It's perfect for stocking up in your pantry, ready to use whenever you need a quick dessert or a sweet addition to your coffee. Its popularity comes from its irresistible flavor, smooth texture, and the fact that you can store it for a long time without worrying about it going bad. Compared to regular milk, condensed milk is a true pantry hero. No wonder it's a staple in kitchens from Mexico to Russia. Whether you're making a classic tres leches cake, Russian marine and Russian Tyson procedure, Russian soys and Russian caramel, Russian caramel treats, or just sweetening your morning coffee, condensed milk brings people together with its delicious taste and long-lasting convenience. The fascinating story of condensed milk always begins with the simplest of ingredients: fresh, wholesome milk straight from the dairy farms. These farms are often nestled in lush, green countryside, where cows graze peacefully and produce the rich milk that forms the foundation of every can of condensed milk. Early each morning before the sun is fully risen, dedicated farmers begin their day by carefully collecting milk from healthy, well-cared-for cows. Modern technology helps make this process efficient and hygienic, ensuring that the milk remains untouched and clean. Once collected, the fresh milk is immediately transferred into large stainless steel storage tanks right at the farm. These tanks are specially designed to keep the milk safe from contamination and preserve its natural freshness. These advanced tanks are equipped with cooling systems and temperature displays, keeping the milk chilled and fresh until it's ready to be picked up. Maintaining the right temperature is crucial to prevent spoilage and ensure the milk's quality. Throughout the day, trucks with refrigerated tanks arrive at the farms. These specialized vehicles are designed to collect milk from multiple farms, keeping it cold and safe during transport. As the trucks travel along winding rural roads, the milk inside is kept at just the right temperature. This careful handling ensures that the milk stays as fresh as possible on its journey to the factory. When the milk finally arrives at the dairy factory, the first thing that happens is a series of strict quality checks. Workers in lab coats quickly take samples from each batch, ready to put the milk through a range of tests. They examine the milk for its taste, smell, color, and temperature. Laboratory equipment helps them check for purity and freshness, making sure there are no unwanted flavors or signs of spoilage. Only the very best milk, which passes all these tests, is approved for the next stage. This careful selection is what sets high-quality condensed milk apart from the rest. If any milk fails to meet the strict standards, it is immediately rejected and sent back to the farm. This ensures that only the purest, freshest milk is used in the process. This step is absolutely essential. Without rigorous quality control at the very beginning, the final product could never reach the high standards that consumers expect. Good condensed milk always starts with good, clean milk. The journey from farm to factory is carefully managed to protect the milk's quality every step of the way. Quality at the start means a better product at the end. The difference between high-quality and low-quality milk is clear, and it shows in the taste and texture of the finished condensed milk. So, before anything else happens, the milk must be as fresh and pure as possible. Every can of condensed milk owes its delicious flavor and creamy texture to this careful attention at the very beginning. This is the only way to make sure every can tastes great, delivering the same rich, sweet experience to families everywhere, time after time. Once the milk enters the factory, the next step is filtration. This process removes any dirt, dust, or tiny particles that may have snuck in during collection or transport. The milk passes through special metal filters and mesh screens. These filters are very fine, catching even the smallest bits. This step helps make sure the milk is clean and safe before anything else happens to it. It also helps protect the factory machines from getting clogged or dirty. The filtration is fast but very important. Even the cleanest farms can have some bits of straw or tiny specks. Factories want to be certain that only pure milk moves forward in the process. At this point, the milk is clean and ready for the next step. The better the filtration, the smoother and tastier the final condensed milk will be. Milk from different cows can have different amounts of fat and solids. To make sure every can of condensed milk tastes and looks the same, factories use a process called standardization. This means they adjust the milk's fat and solid levels. Workers or machines test the milk to see how much fat and protein it has. If it's too high or too low, they add or remove some cream or skim milk. The goal is to make the milk just right for condensed milk, rich enough to be creamy but not too heavy. This step might sound simple, but it's very important. If the fat isn't balanced, the condensed milk can separate or taste odd. Standardization makes sure you always get the same thick, sweet treat every time you open a can. Once the milk is perfectly balanced, it's ready for the next big step: pasteurization. Pasteurization is all about safety. In this step, the milk is heated to a high temperature for a short time. This kills harmful bacteria and germs but keeps the milk's flavor and nutrition. Factories use special machines called pasteurizers. They heat the milk quickly and evenly, then cool it down fast. The process is very controlled, so nothing is left to chance. Pasteurization happens in just a few minutes, but honestly, it is one of the most important steps of all. If milk isn't pasteurized, it can spoil quickly and make people sick. This step keeps the finished condensed milk safe to eat, even after weeks or months on a shelf. After pasteurization, the milk is safe, clean, and ready for the sweet transformation. Now comes the magic. Sugar is added to the pasteurized milk. Workers or machines stir the mixture until all the sugar is completely dissolved. This step is what makes condensed milk so sweet and thick. Next, the milk and sugar blend goes into big vacuum evaporators. These machines heat the milk under low pressure, which lets water evaporate at a lower temperature. This prevents the milk from burning or tasting cooked. Slowly, about 60% of the water is removed, and the milk becomes thick and creamy. After enough water is gone, the hot, thick milk is cooled very carefully. Factories cool it in stages to prevent sugar from forming big crystals. This keeps the condensed milk smooth and silky. This step is where regular milk becomes the condensed milk you know and love. Rich, sweet, and perfect for desserts. Before it goes into cans or tubes, condensed milk is carefully tested again. Workers check for thickness, sweetness, color, and safety. Only batches that pass all tests move on to packaging. The milk is then sterilized. This means it is heated again to kill any germs that might still be present. The process also helps the milk last even longer on store shelves. Right after sterilization, the hot condensed milk is poured into cans, tubes, or bottles in a very clean environment. Machines seal the containers tightly to keep out air and germs. Labels are added, and the cans are boxed up for shipping. Every step is fast, clean, and checked by workers and machines. This careful process means you can trust every can of condensed milk is safe and ready to enjoy. Once packed and sealed, condensed milk is loaded onto trucks for stores all over the world. Because it's so well made and packed, it can travel long distances and stay fresh for months or even years. Stores keep it on shelves, ready for your next recipe or treat. Did you know? Condensed milk was invented in 1856 by Gale Borden, an American who wanted safe milk for soldiers and families. His invention changed how people stored and used milk forever. During wars and tough times, condensed milk was a lifesaver because it lasted so long without a fridge. So, next time you open a can, remember its amazing journey from farm to factory to your kitchen. Which step surprised you the most? Condensed milk is more than just sweet. It's a story of science, safety, and a little bit of history in every can.